Hey guys, welcome back. Alex here with CKK Industries. Take a look at this mean looking skull pattern. This is slime green graveyard camo. Have a look at that up close. See how well that pops? This is done now with our graphic infusion print. And as you know, it maintains the very best texture in the industry. Done on a standard slime green KYDEX sheet, cell smooth and finish. As you see, the smooth side again is on the inside of the holster. Have a look at the eyelets, the way those babies contrast. This is a really cool color, great for a modern looking holster. This is for the kind of camo you want to use if you want to make sure that everybody sees your gun. Slime green skull camo. Only available at knifekits.com and holstersmith.com. And if you have any questions, pick up the phone, guys. We're here to help. Thanks a lot and see you next time.